This is a video overview of argument essay project, and the topic that you'll be writing about is overprotective parents. This is a standard academic essay. It is an argument essay. The requirements are listed on the assignment directions. So you have the word count, 750 to 1,000 words. You should also include an MLA works cited page. I have created the full citations for the two articles, so you can just include that in your essay at the end. Standard formatting, 12-point Times New Roman font, double space. Both articles are cited at least once in the essay, both articles. And the articles are listed below just so you can see this. It's actually in the second prompt. The two articles which I have provided for you through perusal, which you will have already annotated, are the first one that we read is Bubble Wrapping Our Children, the Perils of Overprotective Parenting. And the second one, included first in this prompt, is called For Some, Helicopter Parenting Delivers Benefits. So those are the two articles, or the both articles that are referenced up here. So in this essay, you must include both of them. There must be at least one piece of information, a reference to citation for each of the articles. That doesn't mean that you have to limit it to one reference per article. Probably better if you do a bit more than that. But that is a requirement for you to essentially pass this essay. So make sure to fulfill that requirement. The works cited page you should include, that includes full citations for both of them. Again, I created these for you. You should also work on creating in-text, sorry about that, citations, which are the citations within your essay that refers to the full citation at the end. There's some videos included in the assignment folder to help you do that. You should also include an appropriate title. These are some things that we'll look for as I review your drafts for this essay. So the basic premise for this essay is that you respond to one of the prompts and you write a cohesive argumentative essay in response to one of them. The first prompt, this entire thing is the prompt, but this is the sort of the heart of the prompt, the part that's in bold. The first prompt here says, write an essay in which you argue whether helicopter parenting is beneficial or harmful to children. Use personal experience, cultural observations, and evidence from both articles to develop your argument. So for this prompt, which is the simpler of the two, you're essentially creating a thesis that responds to that. Whether you think that helicopter parenting is beneficial or harmful, you create a thesis that states one of those. And then for evidence, you must use, as I said before, information from both of the articles. And you can also use personal experience and or cultural observations. So basically, you can use the first person I and explain some things that you've experienced or that you've observed other people experience, and you can use that as evidence in this essay. So it's a mixture of personal experience and source-based evidence. That's to get you used to using some of the source-based evidence without relying exclusively on that. So I'm more concerned in the essay about your being able to integrate source-based evidence, but certainly this is also, the personal experience can also be valuable as you do this essay. In terms of structure for this essay, it should be a multi-paragraph essay. It is, as stated above, 750 to 1,000 words, so it's a medium length. It's fairly short, but long enough to be an essay. And you want to use multi-paragraphs as you do this. There is a link here, and I've provided this link elsewhere in the materials, to some useful information on how to structure an argument essay and about the different parts of that essay. This is kind of that standard 5-paragraph essay, though there is, as you'll see in the worksheet that we'll be using for your outline, you can see that there's actually could be considered a 6-paragraph essay if you include the refutation part of it. But the basic premise here is it's a multi-paragraph essay that has some sort of introduction, a body where you have reasons or subclaims, you have evidence to support those subclaims, and some sort of conclusion. So that's the basic sort of structure that you'll see, and you'll see this in one of the samples that's provided in the outline worksheet. Though that sample doesn't use sources, it can give you a sense of the structure at least.